Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm chic and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today, yeah, we're doing a haul. So we're doing my back to school haul. So this haul, I'm going to be doing like things from SHEIN as well as other things that I've bought. I want to show you guys like what I got. So I got this bag of stuff. It's not auto-focusing. Okay. I got this bag of stuff, and yeah, I also got some other things in Linstead. I'm gonna show you the things I got in Linstead first, and then I'm going to show you the things that I bought off SHEIN. So first of all, I'm a teacher, and to look professional, as they say, I bought some stockings. I bought 6 stockings. I bought off black, and I also bought French copy. So that's the first thing on my back to work, back to school, whatever you want to call it, list. And then I also got myself a little pan. So this is kind of like for me to bring when I'm going to class. So not the things inside of it, I didn't get the things inside of it. I had them like before, but the pan itself, I think I bought this for like $400, 400 Jamaican dollars. I think that's about $3 or something in American, I'm not sure. But yeah, all right, so first things first, on my list here, or in my bag, I pulled it out of the box because I did a look funny and then the box had already been up, so I took it out. So I bought my shoes off SHEIN, and this is what it looks like in the section. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is a size 40. Yeah, so it's 40 under 250. I don't know what that means, but yeah, I think on the sides normally I wear like a 8.5. So yeah, this is the shoes, black. I am also planning to probably get like a brown as well, but I have a brown at the moment, so I'm gonna say, you know what, it can't wait a little bit. So yeah, all right, so this is, I wanted to try their bras, so I bought a bra, but they don't come in like the cup slash, like, you know, around your size. It came in like the, what do you call it, 2x 3x thing, kind of something there. I think this is a 2x. Yeah, this is a 2x, and it fits me. It's just that, you know, them now have wires and so on, so them kind of flimsy. But I wanted a new bra, so, well, I needed some new bra, so I bought that one, and yeah, that works well. All right, so next thing on the list, I have some, what do you call them? Maybe I call them tights, or like under clothing, so to wear like under my clothes. So I have one of these already, actually have it on now. So they're the seamless like tights. I bought one probably about 2 years or 3 years ago, and it works well for me. I think it's about a year, probably 2 years ago. And so I found some more on SHEIN, and I bought them. It was a pack of 4, and I gave mom one. Right, so yeah, this is the color for this one. I also got myself a brownish color one. Right, yeah, and then I got myself a black one, and these are all in the size XL. So yeah, they were pretty fine for me. So the next thing in my haul is a purse. I wanted to get myself one of these little cute purses because I kind of prefer them purses here than the bigger ones. So yeah, I got this one. It has hearts on it. Yeah, I'll probably like the prices of the things on the screen, but right now I don't remember them. So yeah, it has a little part for like your silver, like your little coins and such. And then in this side you put like your ID, your cards, and then the paper money and stuff in that part. So yeah, that's that. All right, next thing I have here is a blouse. Oops. I have a blouse, and this is a brown blouse. I didn't really buy much. I think I bought like 3 pieces of clothing. So yeah, this is what the brown blouse looks like. Yeah, I still try it on and show you guys. I'll try it after I show you guys the skirt, because they kind of go together. So plus I can't, I have one dress, so I don't want to take off the dress and I have nothing else showing of it. So might as well I show you the skirt next. So this is the skirt. It's a brown skirt. I didn't have a brown skirt, so I decided I wanted to buy one for like different outfits and so on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I bought this skirt in in XL, I think. Yeah, in XL. Alright, so it's in XL, and then the blouse I think is in 2X. And I'm sorry about it in 2X because it's big. So let me try this on and then show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll continue with the rest of the haul. This is the blouse and the skirt. As you can see, the skirt not bad. Skirt works out, the XL, but the blouse is still big and it's long. So I think next time I'll know better. Never buy 2X anymore, because even the dress kind of big. So this is the dress. So those are the two. That's the suit that I bought, and then I also bought a dress. So I bought this cute simple dress for work. This is what it looks like, and it has this the back, and strangely enough the buttons are like on the back and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so let me try this on and then I'll show you guys like what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the dress looks like. As I said, because my bed is in a 2X, it comes a little bit spacious, but I don't mind that. I guess next time I'll buy it a little bit snugger and see how that fits. Yeah, and then the last thing I bought is my bag. Is it the last thing? Yeah. The last thing is my bag. And then like this week, this week I'm gonna go out and get some other things that I needed, like some pens and some other little knick-knack stuff, and I'll show you guys that when I get them. But I really want to pack away these things, so that's why I decided to actually do the haul now, because I kind of want to clean up my closet and they're just lying down in my closet giving me stress. So yeah, so this is my bag. If you know, I kind of like knapsacks and whatever. I don't like handbag, but this can actually work as a handbag or as a knapsack. So yeah, this is the bag I bought. I chose the black and brown because most of the times I wear black and brown and I didn't want to buy 2 bags. But I think I'm gonna buy a next bag as well, because this one is kind of small, but I'm gonna just go and rock him because him needs, and I like me I can't book in my bag anyways. So it comes with the strap for, this is kind of small though, for the handbag section of the bag, but it kind of looks small to me. Let me switch out my frock before I wear it. I don't like that. Yeah, so I guess this is how you wear it. Otherwise, yeah. And then you put it on your back for the other section of it. Yeah. So, like this. Which is pretty much how I'm gonna bring it, because me not like carry handbag. I hate it. Hate it. So yeah, that's that. So that's my haul for now. And then when I get other things, then I'll show you guys those. So thanks for watching this section of the vlog, or this section of the haul, and I'll see you when I get some more stuff. Hey guys, so just coming on to end the vlog. So I did not film anything else because the only other thing we bought were like pens, and so I'm not really showing them there. We bought some RSVP pens for work, so yeah, that's the only other thing we bought, so I'm never really showing that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, check out my shorts when I post them, because yeah, we need the support around here. Follow all my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.